एक तो होता है कि हम जो ये नेशनल इनकम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, whom are we calculating it for? किसके लिए कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? राइट, इंडिया के लिए कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज इंडिया? वी हैव टू डिफाइन इंडिया. इंडियन एयरलाइंस अगर इंडिया से न्यूयॉर्क जा रही है, देन इंडिया इज न्यूयॉर्क, राइट? व्हाट इज इट? अगर अमेज़न का यहाँ पे ऑफिस है, what is it? Is it India? Is it not India? Right? So there are again many questions that come, that when you are calculating an income, whom are you calculating it for? So the first concept that we have to understand in this is the economic territory. What is the meaning of economic territory? Firstly, we calculate the income for an economic territory, meaning it is the geographical territory, so literally physical geographical territory, which is administered by a government within which people, goods and capital can circulate freely. So it is the physical boundary of a country within which people, goods and capital can move freely. Okay, so we calculate it for that physical place. Okay, so physical place includes all the physical landmass of a country. It includes the political borders. It also includes the territorial water. चाइना के साथ भी की फाइटिंग फॉर वाटर, पाकिस्तान के साथ, श्रीलंका के साथ, ये तुम्हारा पानी है या हमारा पानी है. So territorial waters and airspace. Okay, everything is included in the economic territory of a country. Embassies, consulates, military bases located abroad. Indian embassy, any part of the world, is part of the economic territory of India. Okay. Ships, aircrafts operated by residents between two or more countries. Residents का definition पे trust है, but ships and aircraft, अगर इंडिया से Indian Airlines took off and landed in Frankfurt and it is stationed at Frankfurt for the night, it's still an Indian aircraft. Okay. Fishing vessels, oil, natural gas rigs operated by residents in international waters. It is still part of the economic territory, right? So we calculate national income for two entities. The first entity is the economic territory. Okay. So what we calculate for the economic territory is the domestic product. I'll come to the definitions later, but I'm just introducing it. What we calculate for the economic territory is called the domestic product. Then we calculate the income for another entity, which are called the normal residents of a country. Okay. Now, what are the normal residents of a country? So, for example, we have, like I said, some person who, let's say, an Indian. He's an Indian. His family is in India, but for work, he has to go and live in America 6 months in a year. Okay. Who is he? Is he an Indian? Is he not an Indian? Or for example, you are a company who has offices all over the world. So your income is generated in other parts of the world, but it is generated for your home office, right? So there's a difference between the physical territory and there's a difference between the people of a country. So income of the people of a country is different. So income of the people of a country is called national product. Income of the people of a country is called national product. Income in the physical space of a country is called domestic product. Everyone, just a minute, please. So income of the people of a country is called the national product. Income of the physical space of a country is called domestic product. So who are the people of the country? People of the country are called normal residents of a country. It is a person or an institution who ordinarily resides in the country or whose center of economic interest lies in that country. तो या तो आप उस country में रहते हो या आप रहते नहीं हो, you travel a lot outside for work, but your main activity, your bank account, your home, your investments, everything are in this country. Okay, so you may travel, for example, Mukesh Ambani may be traveling all over the world, but his main business maybe is located here, his investments are here, his house is here, his family is here. So his center of economic interest is here. but he may be traveling all over the world for most of the time of the year. So he is still called a normal resident of India, and the income generated by him will be, so if let's say he owns a company in Zimbabwe, so that company's earning, that country's earning will be a part of the domestic product of Zimbabwe, but will be part of the national product of India. So one particular income can be a part of the domestic product of one country, but national product of the other country. So Zimbabwe office earnings, part of the domestic product of Zimbabwe, but the national product of India. Okay. So the physical earning is economic territory, and the national product is the normal resident of a country.